Hello everyone, good morning all of you. This is Dr. Sudarshan Sambhajirao Pedge, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, Kailasasi Rasika Mahavidyalaya Devani, your zoology companion, and welcome to my lecture. In the last lecture, we also completed, there are two units. Okay, in the last lecture, we have seen the biotic interaction. In the biotic interaction, we have seen or we have completed that is there are two types of biotic interaction, that is the positive interaction as well as the negative interaction, okay, as well as the various types of biotic interaction. Now today we will start the next topic of our syllabus, that is the our next unit of the syllabus, that is the pollution. Oh, okay, in the third unit the first topic is the pollution. Okay, so let's get started today's lecture. Question may arise in your mind, what is meant by the pollution? Pollution is an undesirable changes in the physical, chemical or biological characteristics of air, water and the various kinds of lands. Okay, that is the that will be the harmfully affect the human life and the desirable species, or that they may be waste or deteriorate our raw material resource. Okay, that is called the pollution. Pollution means what? Undesirable change in the physical, chemical or biological characteristics of our air, land and water. That is called the pollution. It means the one particular undesirable changes is there. Okay, that's why pollution it will be the occur. Okay, so why it will be the occur, or uh, what types of pollutants it will be the uh, occurs with the responsible for the pollution. Okay, so first of all we have concentrate on the pollutants. Okay, pollutants means what? The substance or factors which affect the normal functioning of human life and domesticated species when introduced into the biosphere are called pollutants. What is meant by the pollutants? Pollutants are the substance or factors which affect the normal functioning of human life and domesticated species when introduced into the biosphere are called the pollutants. Okay, and these some are the pollutants we have uh, right here is the first is the garbage. Okay, garbage is the one particular domestic waste as well as the municipal waste. Okay, these waste generally we have seen the domestic sewage. Okay, garbage. Okay, those domestic wastes as well as the municipal wastes in that garbage. Okay, and it will be the uh, responsible for the pollution. Okay, another next is the deposited matter. Okay, question may arise in your, what is meant by the deposited matter? Various kinds of smoke, soot as well as dust, tar, these are the various kinds of deposited matter, and that deposited matter is, it will be the responsible for the pollution. Okay, another next is the gases. Various kinds of gases we have seen, that is the CO, that is the, means carbon monoxide, SO2 sulfur dioxide, as well as the CO2 carbon dioxide, as well as the H2S, that's the one full sulfur H2S gas, as well as the NH3, Fl2, as Cl2. These are the some are the gases. Okay, and another next is the nitrogen oxide, methyl, isocyanate. These are the gases we have seen in the environment, and these gases is very harmful for the body. Okay, and these are the pollutants. Okay, another next pollutant is the chemical compounds. Okay, in the chemical compounds, the aldehydes, arsenine, hydrogen fluorides, uh, fogens, as well as the detergents. Okay, these are the chemical compound, and that chemical compound it will be the responsible, or it will be the harmful for the environment. It means that they have create a pollution. Okay, so these are the pollutants, that is the chemical compound pollutants. Another next is the metals. Various kinds of metal, that is for example lead, iron, zinc, mercury. These are the metals, and that metals it will be higher in the environment. That time the they have create a pollution. Okay, so that is the one particular pollutant we have seen, that is the metals. Okay, and next is the biocides. In the biocides, we know very well, in the agricultural farm we have used the pesticides, insecticide, herbicides, fungicides, nematicides, rodenticides. Okay, these are the biocides. Okay, and generally we have seen in the uh, agricultural field. Okay, or agriculture farm. In that farm we have seen, or we have used these biocides. uh, if suppose in these biocides, if higher in range, that time it will be the it will create a pollution. Okay, it means these are the pollutants. The biocides is the pollutants. Okay, next is the fertilizers: urea, ammonia sulfate, ammonium sulfate. These are the uh, pollutants also. Why? Because they have produces various kinds of pollutions. Okay, and it will be affect on human as well as the various kinds of biomes. Okay, so next is the radioactive substances: noise, heat, sewage, plastics, oils. These are the some pollutants, and that pollutants it will be form a pollution. Okay, so this is the pollution. Next uh, is the classification of pollutants. Question may arise in your mind: what is meant by the uh, pollutants? Okay, what is the classification of pollutants? Generally, pollutants are divided into two types: the non-degradable pollutants as well as the biodegradable pollutants. In the non-degradable pollutants, that pollutants which cannot be decomposed are called the non-degradable pollutant. It means the we can't decompose easily. That is the that pollutants is called the non-degradable pollutants. As well as we have seen in the biodegradable pollutants, that the biodegradable pollutants is easily decomposed. Okay, that is the main difference between these non-degradable pollutants as well as the biodegradable pollutants. Okay, so in the non-degradable pollutants, DDT is the one particular example of the pollutants, as well as the mercury salt, as well as the aluminum cans are the non-degradable pollutants. We can't decompose easily. Okay, that's why we call it as that is the non-degradable pollutants. And another, that is the biodegradable pollutants. These biodegradable pollutants we have easily decomposed. Okay, it means the it can be easily decomposed. Okay, so that pollutants, for example the sewage, heat, noise, these are the some biodegradable pollutants. We can't easily uh, easily helpful for the easily control, easily control the these pollutants. So this is the biodegradable pollution. Next is the types of pollution. Various kinds of pollution we have seen today, uh, but in our syllabus there are three types. There is the air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. After this lecture we have seen thoroughly. But the types of pollution, in the types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, land pollution, thermal pollution, marine pollution. These are the various types. Okay, so thank you very much.